Hello! Today we're going to talk about the drive lever, its fantastic ergonomy, and how all the functions are integrated. As you can see, this drive lever has two programmable buttons, M1 and M2. These can be programmed to any feature you would like, whether it be isobus features, diff lock, U-pilot sequences, you get to choose. This really is that flexible. The drive lever also includes these two programmable linear joystick hydraulic controls. These can be set for any hydraulic valve you choose, and they are proportional, so the more you press, the more flow you get. On the right hand side, you even have a dump position, so you can put your hydraulics into float, like so. Also integrated into the drive lever is the excellent rear linkage control. To lift the machine up, simply press the up button. To drop it down, press it down like so. And to achieve quick drop, where the machine will drop quickly, press the down button until you hear the click. When the button is in the middle position, it means the machine is locked. Also integrated in the drive lever is a brand new power shuttle. The power shuttle works that when you want to move off, place the traditional power shift behind the steering wheel into neutral, and then everything is controlled from the drive lever. To move off for the first time, push the power shuttle forward and then push the drive lever forward. Then you will be able to change direction after that simply using the power shuttle. This way is backwards, forwards, backwards, forwards. It's that easy. When driving in cruise mode, you can use a roller located on the bottom of the drive lever to adjust to very fine increments your forward speed. This roller can also be used to adjust your maximum speed when driving upon the road. And again, it's important to remember that all your saved functions are also saved into your profile. So if you change profile, you can quickly recall the settings you want for your implement by just going into the profile settings. All these integrated features make your working day that much easier.
Valtra, your working machine.